Arbitrage Pro review. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my Arbitrage Pro review demo and $5,697 bonus to it. Guys, if you don't know what arbitrage is, it is essentially being the middleman. So you buy low and you sell high. You don't have to own the product. It is not affiliate marketing, it is just flipping products. Okay, so you find a place that you can buy it for cheap and you sell it somewhere else, and you don't even have to touch the product. You can flip services, you can flip drop shipping products where you send the item directly without you actually touching it. You can flip digital products, you can flip a bunch of different things, and Arbitrage Pro is a brand new software that will allow you to find all of these products and services to flip. This is a brand new product released by Jamie Lewis. Okay, so guys, we will review it. I have a huge bonus to it, so if you will decide to pick it up through my link, you're gonna get well over $5,000 worth of bonuses. Before I'm going to share my screen, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment, tell me where you are from, or maybe you have a question. So right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this Arbitrage Pro review. Guys, even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just wanted to let you know that the first link in the description will take you to my written review, and if you do want to pick it up through my link, you just have to click on one of these blue links. Okay, Arbitrage Pro goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern on November the 5th, so make sure to show up for the early bird. And again, I'm going to show you all of the bonuses I have in store for you in just a second. So guys, right now let's check out the sales page. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it says Arbitrage Pro. When the indicator says go, I push the button to make $15,109 per month on autopilot. PS, I use this software all the time. So guys, if you don't know who Jamie Lewis is, he is the guy behind this product. I know he actually does this because he has been doing this for years, and actually when I first got into making money online back in 2012, he was already an internet millionaire. Okay, and he has tons of successful students. Okay, so we have some proof, we have some testimonials. You know, essentially he breaks down what is it all about. Again, Arbitrage Pro, that's the name of this new software and product. We have some more testimonials. We have some bonuses and 30 days money back guarantee, so absolutely no risk on your part. Jamie Lewis, this is the guy behind this product. Guys, check all of this out on the sales page. All the information is right here once it's live. And right now let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is what you will see after logging in. We have Jamie right here welcoming you. So this is a 3-minute video essentially breaking down what's inside. We have the traffic control panel right here. Okay, so even before I'm going to show you the traffic suite and the passive suite, let me show the video tutorials. Okay, because all the video tutorials on how to get traffic, how to flip products, and how to actually make money with it is included. So first we have navigation, then we have traffic control panel, then we have passive suite, then we have affiliate marketing philosophy, then we have mastermind troubleshooting, mastermind niches traffic, traffic video number 1, development, that's video number 2, monetization number 3, we have copywriting number 4, and making money video number 5. So guys, you can go through all of this in under an hour, and you will start seeing results with this super fast, because again, you are just flipping products. Arbitrage is again buying low, selling high. You don't have to create anything, you don't have to should review videos like I'm doing right now. This is not affiliate marketing, this is just buying here and selling there. So with that being said, let's check out the traffic suite. Okay, so obviously there are 4 different ways you can actually do arbitrage. If you will choose this one, that will allow you to target any keyword, you can actually get traffic for any product that you want to flip. Okay, so all you have to do is choose a keyword. So we have some preloaded keywords right here. So let's say cat training, let's click on search. And again, the sales page said if it's green, it means go. So what you want to find is products in green and then traffic sources in green. So for cat trading, we don't have any red, but we have some orange ones. So for this, I would probably stay away from it as my first promotion. Let's say become a stripper, very niche down product. Let's click on search, and as you can see right here, we have 2 traffic sources that are in green, which means that we will pay $1 per click, and the products are paying out $35. So actually you have a couple of products to promote. You have ClickBank and you have a CPA offer. So guys, this is what Jamie is looking for, okay? And this is again something that you can absolutely start doing right now. This is just one of the modules, okay? Then we have passive suite, and inside the passive suite we have 3 additional ways to flip products. First of all, we have compare products. Let's click on find them and let's just enter a keyword. Let's say men's shoes. The category will be apparel for men. Let's click on search, and here you will get a list of all the products that you can buy and sell immediately. So as you can see, we have AliExpress $9, we have eBay $11, and we have Amazon $14. So this is not the best example, but essentially you can buy a t-shirt on AliExpress for $9, sell it on Amazon for $14. And obviously sometimes these price differences are crazy. Sometimes you can buy, I've seen products on AliExpress for $1 that sell on Amazon for $20. So again, you are just looking for the green indicators right here. If it's green, then you know, it's all good to go. So this is how you can flip physical products. And again, how it works is you can actually make the person that sends you the cheaper product to send it directly to the person that is buying from you, and you just stay with the difference. Going back to the passive suite right here, we have the drop shipping suite. So let's click on search products for sell keyword, let's say fitness, and let's click on find products. So again, very, very similar, and this will be for products in any niche. So as you can see, this product on AliExpress is $1. You can flip it literally for at least $10, $15, $20 on any other drop shipping website, eBay, Amazon, etc. Okay, and you have a bunch of different things. As you can see, guys, these even like watches on our AliExpress are like $1. This is absolutely crazy, and you will see the same exact products being sold on Amazon, being sold on eBay, or any other drop shipping platform. So this is how you flip, or this is how you do arbitrage with the drop shipping suite. And lastly, we have the monetization suite. So as you can see here, we have different services that you can flip. So obviously you can flip physical products, you can flip digital products, or you can flip services, because in many cases someone is willing to create a whole website for $100 that you can easily sell it for $1,000. Okay, so this is where you find all of these different services. You can see we have Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. So these are the 3 main ones that you're going to be working with. Typically, Fiverr is the cheaper version, Freelancer is in the middle, and Upwork is the most expensive one. So as you can see, we have all of these different posts right here, and it will actually sort exactly what you need in the same category. So you don't have to, you know, type it in right here, then compare the price right there. It's all done for you. So as you can see, we have the category. It can be computer gigs, it can be creative gigs, etc. So these are actually 4 different ways you can make money with this. Again, the traffic suite will show you the best CPA offers and affiliate offers and the best traffic sources. Then in the passive suite, we have the compare products system. Then we have the drop shipping suite and the monetization suite. And right here, as you can see, we will be clicking on the traffic module. Okay, so guys, again, you have 4 ways to make money with this. All the video training on how to do it is included with this. And right now, let me show you actually how much you will have to pay for Arbitrage Pro and what are all of the upsells. So as you can see, Arbitrage Pro will be $17.95. Keep in mind, this is the early bird price, so you will have to show up early. Again, early is 10 a.m. Eastern on November 5th. To grab it for $17.95. The price will be going up. Okay, now we do have a few one-time offers you will be presented with after picking up your copy of Arbitrage Pro. So Arbitrage Pro OTO number 1 is $47, and this is the unthrottled version. So the main version will include 20 searches per day, which is more than enough if you want to start making money with this. If you want unlimited searches per day, it will be $47, the unthrottled version. Arbitrage Pro OTO number 2 is the monetization sites for $97. So you are getting 4 different ways to actually make money with Arbitrage Pro. If you want to add another one, flipping websites, this is upgrade number 2, and websites can be flipped sometimes for thousands of dollars. Okay, so just an additional way for you to make money with it. Arbitrage Pro OT number 3, we have 10x multiplier, unlock special high ticket arbitrage keywords and offers. So obviously you will be finding different products. Again, you can buy a product for $1, sell it for 20, but if you want to unlock the keywords that are high ticket, which means that you know, the items are sometimes thousands of dollars, this is OTO number 3. OTO number 4, we have Jamie does it all for you. So this is $297, a little bit more expensive, but here you will be actually working with Jamie and he will be delivering a huge done for you pack, and he will be coaching you as well. Okay, so that's $297. And OTO number 5, we have AP Winners Circle. So Arbitrage Pro Winner Circle, $197. So here you're going to be getting reseller rights to 5 of Jamie's top selling products, which means that you can keep 100% of the profits on all the sales you're gonna make. Okay, so $197. If you like to promote products as an affiliate, you can keep 100% commissions instead of 50% commissions like all the other affiliates. So guys, all of these OTOs are optional. Everything I showed you in this video will be included in the main version for $17.95. But again, maybe if you want the unthrottled version because you're a massive action taker, or you want to make more money with the website flipping, etc., then you can definitely pick one of these OTOs up, or maybe all of them, totally up to you. Guys, right now let me show you all of the bonuses I have in store for you. Again, if you want to get all of these amazing bonuses, just pick up Arbitrage Pro through my link. You will probably pick it up anyways. Why not pick it up through my link to get all of these amazing bonuses? To pick it up from my link, just click on one of these blue links if you are on my blog. If you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog. Guys, first of all, I will give you 3 custom-made bonuses. These are 3 different ways to generate traffic for your offers. So obviously the first module will show you how to get traffic. This is additional free traffic you can generate for your offers. Next up, Jamie actually gave me 3 exclusive bonuses for my subscribers only. So you will get affiliate shortcut, profit injector, and a case study from Jamie. These are for my audience only. Next up, you're getting Affiliate Cash Monster. This is a W's of the Day awarded product. ClickBank Marketing Secrets, another W's of the Day. Video Profit Machines, another W's of the Day. And List Building Profit Kit, another W's of the Day. Now, on top of it, you're getting Big Traffic Fire Sale, IM Strategy, Content Marketing Blueprint, Facebook Ads Domination, Free Business and Free Business Pro, Get Started SEO, Monetizing Your Blog, Newbie Traffic System, Page 1 Ranking, SEO and Traffic, Traffic Strategies, Traffic Unleashed, Unlimited Niche, Viking, Email Marketing, Instagram Marketing, Pinterest Marketing, YouTube Marketing, and YouTube Rank Analyzer. And I will actually give you another piece of software, Flipping Magic Pro, and my top selling flipping course, Flip Me, with the Flip Me Income Booster, which is the first OTO, Arbitrage Sugar Daddy, Make $497 over and over again, Affiliate Rebirth, Tidal Wave Traffic, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and a bunch of additional plugins and software. Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin, Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, IX, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcut Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, AZN Press, Phase Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBot, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, and Courses plugin. Guys, on top of all this, you will get my mega bonus, which is 116 W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded products. This means that the total value of this bonus package to Arbitrage Pro is $5,697. All of these bonuses are yours for free. Just as a thank you for picking up Arbitrage Pro through my link. Again, to pick it up through my link, just click on one of these blue links. On my blog, if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description takes you to my blog. Again, I have a full written review as well, so please check it out as well. And right now we can sum up this Arbitrage Pro review. So guys, you're going to be getting a traffic suite and 4 different ways to do flipping or do arbitrage, however you want to call it. So this is no one method or application. You're actually getting a total of 4. You don't have to create any products. You don't have to do affiliate marketing. You don't need a website or a list. You don't need to do market research or anything analytical or nothing like it. No waiting to get approved, so you can just pick the product that will show you green light, and you don't have to get approved like with JVZoo offers or Warrior Plus offers. All this step-by-step video training is included, and obviously you're getting a money back guarantee, so absolutely no risk. Now, what I don't like about Arbitrage Pro, it is arbitrage, okay? So you will have to find these products and sell buy low, sell high, as I was telling you all this time. So ultimately, I would like you to sell your own products because you keep 100% of the profits to yourself, okay? With that being said, it is super easy to get into arbitrage because you just find something that is already selling and you just charge more for it and you keep the difference in price. So this is the best way actually to start making money online, to get into making money online, to understand how it all works. So guys, I really like this product, especially for beginners and especially for newbies, and even established marketers can make money with this because this is super easy, guys. Right now, let me just show you how to claim my bonus after you will decide to pick up Arbitrage Pro through my link. All you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon with your name, go to the purchase history, find Arbitrage Pro, and below the button that says click here to access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. So this is if you used my link, and this is for any product you picked up through my link from my blog, artofmarketingblog.com. Okay, so you don't have to send me emails or receipts, it is all done for you automatically. And guys, for the last time, Arbitrage Pro goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern on November 5th. So make sure to pick it up through my link with the early bird discount. So use these blue links from my blog. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell to get a notification each time I go live on this channel. And also check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos about making money online and working from home. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao.